What's up guys, my name's Travis, this is my Corvette, this is an RC car, and you're watching the Mod Lab. So today we're going to be doing a drag race between the two. First off with the Corvette, you guys already know, cam, it's got ported heads, it's got a cold air intake, long tube headers, and we also have Toyo R888s on the back. As far as the RC car goes, this is all-wheel drive. It's got an upgraded drive shaft, it's got an upgraded battery, upgraded motor, and it is also on street tires. So yes, today we're going to be doing a drag race versus a V8 powered Corvette versus an RC car that's completely all electric. But right now that you know a little bit about the cars, we're gonna go head out and find a good place to do this drag race. Alright guys, just wanted to pause the video for a second. If you look at this graph right over here, you'll notice that the percentage of you guys that watch my videos that aren't subscribed is higher than the people that are subscribed. If you like what we're doing here on the channel, make sure that you go hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell button so you never miss out on any new videos that I have dropping. But with that being said, it's time to go racing. Alright guys, we're going to be racing from where the Corvette is right now, by that light post. And the finish line is going to be this backpack right here. So Jordan agreed to give me a little bit of a head start, so we're going to run it back one more time, and probably going to beat him this time. So 5, 4, 3. Here's a couple quick videos of some drone shots that we got earlier. I think we proved two things here today. The first one is that Corvette's the best car out there, and the second one is if you want a very fast car that you don't have to bust your knuckles on or work on it a bunch and upgrade it a bunch, buy an electric RC car for sure. But with that being said, this is going to end it off. Thank you so much for watching. You know already, subscribe, like, share, show everybody. Thank you so much for everybody who's been subscribed and supporting me. Love you guys so much. Peace.